Hello everyone, so my name is Varsha Raghav. Today we are covering this video specially for Pranami Infra on behalf of BPTP Limited. So today we will be talking about the very new launch of BPTP with the name of The Amario, located at Sector 37D on Dwarka Expressway. So before talking about the project The Amario, so let's talk about the builder first, BPTP Limited. So let's talk about the legacy of BPTP. So here the company has been delivering their promises for over 20 years of the legacy that we are carrying along with us. We have delivered more than 5 crores square feet of the project in terms of residential and commercial, both kind of properties. More than 50 plus projects has been delivered by BPTP with 2,500 acres land bank across the India that we still have to be launched. Talking about the families that BPTP has bring smile on the faces for more than 25,000 families with us, with 1.25 lakhs customer has been already served by the company. So now I would talk about the most top point of the project itself, which is the amenities part of the project, wherein we are coming up with a very specially designed clubhouse area within square feet of 1 lakh. So these 1 lakh square feet area of the clubhouse will be catering to only 248 units which is available in the project itself. So the clubhouse also divided into 3 different segmentations. First, we will be talking about the sports amenities, wherein we are having a climate controlled swimming pool areas, your lawn tennis spaces, squash courts, gymnasium facilities, etc. Second, we are taking care of the well-being spaces of our residences, wherein we are coming up with salons, spa, salt spa kind of facilities. And third, we will be taking care of the social leisures of our residents. Let's talk about the project location of BPTP Amario at 37D on Dwarka Expressway. So the project connectivity from Dwarka Expressway is not more than 400 meters. This cut that you are going to take is for 99A, which is leading you towards Sector 37D of Dwarka Expressway. This is the elevation of the project, which is located on bang on 60-meter wide road. On the right hand side that you are looking at is BPTP Terra, and on left hand you are looking at BPTP Generation, Spatio and Serene, which is already delivered projects of BPTP with more than 1900 apartments in it. That's the spectacular view of the balconies from BPTP Amario towards the Dwarka Expressway, as well as the water bodies, which is very beautifully planned. This is again one of the bird eye views of the project, wherein you can see the planning of the project. Now talking about the architects of the project. The project architects are UHA London, which is one of the marquee architects worldwide. So now talking about the project elevation and the project details. So the planned parcel that we are going to develop this project is about 5 acres with only 2 tower development in the project itself, which means it makes it a very low density project for about 75 to 80% of open and green spaces. We are coming up with 4 to a core development, specifically only 4 BHKs with utility planned with a size of approximate 3,700 square feet. Now let's go to the common areas of the project, wherein we will be having entrance from a triple heighted lobby which will lead you to the elevator space. So once you talk about an ultra luxury segmentation, we are coming up with 7 high speed lifts catering to single tower in this particular project. So today we are available at the Oberoi in Udyog Vihar. We are having our business center for the sales experience gallery. From here, we will be taking you to the site visit of the project. We will be taking care of your site visit process with to and fro services of the transportation. Thank you. So we have reached the site of BPTP Amario at Sector 37D. Hardly it took 15 minutes to reach the site from the Oberoi's, which is there in Udyog Vihar. So now talking about the nearby vicinity, schools, hospitals, shopping complexes is already there in this sector, which is functional. So now I would like to cover few of the points like schools, Euro International, DPS, Alpine School is already there in the vicinity of 2 minutes to 10 minutes distance from the site. Hospitals like Signature Hospital, Medanta is right across the project and 10 minutes drive. Talking about the eating joints, the shopping complexes is about 5 to 10 minutes ka drive, which is Esplanade Mall, Elan Miracle as well as the Conscient one. Talking about the international airport, distance from the site is about 15 minutes hardly drive. Then the sector is already habitated wherein close to 15,000 families is living in the nearby sectors close to this. For site visit and booking details, please contact us on the mentioned number given below. Thank you very much for watching us. This is Varsha Raga from BPTP on behalf of Pranami Infra. For more videos like this, please share, comment and give your support to us. Thank you.